Hey guys, welcome to TutorialGuru. Today we'll be learning how to pause watch history on YouTube Music app, and now let's dive right in. Now to pause your watch history on the YouTube Music app, first open up your YouTube Music app on your phone. And after opening your YouTube Music app, guys, on this interface at the top right corner of the screen, you can see a profile picture icon available for us. Tap on your profile picture icon at the top right corner of the screen, and after you land over here, tap on the settings option available for us just above the help and feedback. And when you land over here, again tap on the privacy and data option just above the recommendations, and you land over here. Now in order to pause your watch history on your YouTube Music app, make sure the pause watch history toggle icon over here, which is the second option, is turned on. In order to turn it on, just tap on it and this box will appear, and tap on the pause button over here, and your watch history on your YouTube Music app will be paused. And with that being said, guys, this is how to pause watch history on YouTube Music app. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.